Good morning, folks. Hey, it's Greg Fritz from Celette coming to you from St. Louis, Missouri. We're down here at Plaza Motors getting ready to install a Cameleon Premium and do some training. Let's go inside and see what we got going. So here we are inside one of the largest repair facilities in St. Louis, Missouri. Actually, one of the largest in the Midwest. And we're getting ready to do some training on the Cameleon, as I mentioned. So we have our box all ready installed. We have our students here ready to go. We have our victim car, Tesla Model X. Excuse me, Model 3. So we have our car ready to go here. Got all the shields off of it. Let's take a look and see how they did. Alright. Yeah, got everything off. Looks like we need to take off a couple more in front because we have to expose the bolts for the front cradle up here. Okay. And over here. And we'll be using this point and this point of the front for diagnostic setup. See what they got going here. So with all of Tesla's, we have taken the liberty of validating all the jig setups, and we have created a setup map in a PDF form for all the shops when we set up a Tesla. And you can see on the map here we have this is the suspension out complete.
The next one.
Thanks, fellas. Okay, so you're looking for diagnostics. There you go. There's your top view. Okay. Jigging it up. It's Cameleon time. So right now, what they're doing, folks, if you want to catch up with us, they're building these 4 jigs. And these 4 jigs. That's diagnostics, okay? So first thing to do is set up your sliding blocks, set their values. Then you put down all your MZ towers, and then you can build them from there. Halfway down. Dun, 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 dun. You can see the damage on this car is quite extensive. All the way down the side. Door panel. Both doors. Look down the rocker. See the rocker's caved in pretty good. Don't know about the B pillar, but I'm matching this in. I'm sure it is. At the bottom right there.
You get the pins? Yes. Facing.
If they got it right, should be ready to lower to the bench. I'm gonna put the phone down and we'll take an inspection look.
Yeah, this isn't right. So don't have to drive now. Stop. Pull down just a little bit. Right, come on.
You need to go forward. There you go. This one's almost on. This was way down. So you got a mistake here, gentlemen. This is why we call it training. How you doing up front?
I'm pretty centered on the front. Hold on a second. Yep.
The back's 3 inches away.
Yeah, we'll get to it. All right, folks, it's on the bench. Now we're gonna have to make a correction and see what they did back here. Looks like they got a wrong piston or something. Wrong
That's right.
piston or
That's
combination of a
You got- is your
MZ
front
tower.
on?
Let's see. Okay, so what they did, folks, was they misread the plan, and it takes an MZ 200 tower here. Very easy to fix that. It'll take about 30 seconds to tower. Maybe a minute. Okay, so it's on the bench, folks. It's fitting very nicely, as you can see. Okay, so we got the car on the bench. What do you guys think? It's your first time setting up the Cameleon universal fixtures. You've been using dedicated for a long time. What do you think about the difference so far?
Really fit real nice. It, time-wise, it seemed like it was pretty comparable. It's pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. For what I've seen so far.
What do you think?
Like the adaptability, like the ability to adjust something or change something. But the setup was like the access comparable.
I don't know if the camera can hear us or not, folks, but so far we've gotten kudos from both of them. We've got the car set up in diagnostic. The car has damage on the lead door, the quarter panel, and of course both doors are going to get replaced. So after lunch here, we're going to set up the rear body panel fixtures just so they can see how to do that. We will start jigs up this afternoon, and